In front of me is DOOGEE S61 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy. When you're ready, click on Permission Manager and select one of your device's features to manage, like location. Then click on one of your apps. I will go with Google Wallet from Not Allowed category. Lastly, apply one of those options by clicking on the best one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Google Wallet just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can also select any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage, like messages. Then, instead of selecting one of those options, scroll all the way down, select See All Permissions at the bottom, and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!